with everything you have. Wash this thing out of you. With anything that you own. Hello?
Hello, I'm just lying down.
Okay. No, well, I don't know. I'll call you back. Just give me like 30 minutes. But they're online. I did live vid scream, okay?
Okay.
You understand? I beg. I was your board dunji. Take this thing out of you. That I want your boy. Or somewhere. You know what somewhere ni yakweni. Since we katare we bo. If I were you, when this matter started, you know, but what kaloni. It could have let seven said kakaka nana do somewhere. I'm telling you, gonna those days, never not tell you because you don't know. So people will say, like a lady in the farm, oh, we must forgive you. I see it on one video she did recently. Oh, well, she never forgive you. That's to tell you, you're not going to be oh, wait, she never forgive you. So how do you know that Oboas really forgets about this issue that is coming up again? But you, a matter ni matter ya also don't tell anyway ya no reve home. Ya no reve home ya koko. Ya no bako kosoe. Not everything that is glitter that is good. Not everything that is red that the fowl go and chook. Oh ya fiuk beyo. But so swear. Because we always say love, karma is real. You say, well, just go. Very soon you will meet your Waterloo. You think it's joke. It's a circle. It's roundabout. It's a karma. It's roundabout. It is real. So if you have removed the mocking hand from the soup by now, it will not turn into Obon and Agbo. So me, I'm begging you today. That's why I'm doing this video. Please, clear this shit. Clear this mess. I want you to clear it. Go and clear it. Not because of me. Don't clear. If it's because of me, I'm not saying you message you. I did clear. I didn't know. Viewer. But because of your children, your lovers, people that love and care about you. Let me, because of commenter. Happy. Clear this mess. Clear this rat. And let go. No kosa nobo. Ekanata mudia yewa. Cameroon Pepe, I see you. Good morning, darling. Ekanata mobo. Umudia yewa. Usuk beyo. Because you know this thing will rise again. That's the truth. I saw you are blogging, or blogging me, and no concern. Anything that have to do with that man. Don't put yourself. Don't try it. There are people with a soul without forgiveness. They can never, they will tell you forgiveness is a sin. They will drag you to the mud. They will surely drag you. They will drag you to the mud. What are we not talking? They will definitely drag you to the mud. Clear this mess. Clear these loopholes. It's on the higher side now. Because everybody now said, since Obo is not the one dragging you, is the other way around. They stood your ground. If you know that you would have answered to Obo, the way if you behave no concern Obo. Now we are here, but why will you do that? I wish you know woman when I was somebody in my bo. I am the more in social media. Is that what you want? Because Obo is ready. She is very ready now to go and swear. Because you don't want to go no my baba mukbama. Yes. So Obo is not ready to swear. Then when you don't have any dog, no, ne bog me. Then what I know, when I'm no boy here, Obo my behavior. So no I'm the behavior in Morocco. All the time. My children they wait for me. I get to call them by one. You understand? Let's go.
Only they say yes, no concrete. No cabo or boca monica, a concrete no warum. All one with concrete. Oh, yeah, you found all your Monica. I guess anybody no cannot trust no social media, no where all one with first. All the shame at the disgrace of adultery. Oh, mommy, no time away. Let me tell you, I'm not your friend, you know that. But I will tell you the truth. I don't have to have such rubbish. I tell you, no shit. Onya. My friend quarrel, you can't talk life for my body. Me and that person they do saga, you can't talk life for my body. We'll see water, see no it's coming from the cow's mouth or lion's mouth, a big horse's mouth. Oh, both a boy or daughter, my jumre. Where I tell, man, no, oh, give it now. I'm asking you where here. I was shocked to see where Monica is posting a good wife and a picture for a platform. You don't go wrong from a boy. Well, we're not you're supposed to be now on the one here.
You see? You know what I said? What do you have to run away from that person? I cannot tell him anyway they make sure his name, you disappear. I had a whole time where you not for Bomata. A minute. You both swap before.
I can wear anything. No, you go anything concerned about you go home, you go wash your hands, you go go in fast. I don't want that anything not be anymore no coming. Guess what? I'm not interested. We're not caking on your bobulua. Or Bonway so Jesus over how you oh yeah, no way said using me. For wonderful way. Then by wonderful way. But all you hear about also about where am I there or not? This is number one on social media. Hello? This is number one. Am I there? When one other person here say, when I in your social media, am I there? Oh, yeah, no, we're not training you in the area, baby, you where?
No.
All when all one number one.
Close it, may not be cutting.
How can you be dragging feet with your bone? Or not getting what to wash my face? We are all playing the way we are exactly allowed to.
Hello? Mama P. Kolako. Alpha. Okay. Yes, Donia. Yes, Donia. I said Donia. Maybe I said no man, no problem. No wala. Ciao. Nitie John and all this and then ni back with college.
He want to use the wife of Piki Sagara. At the end, you call him. Okay.
Be one of us. I come my daughter make carry key go give the for house. Hello, madam.
Hello, Mama.
How you there?
Ma?
I say how you there now? Sure you sleep well. That's how they speak English, so. Go yes, say.
Oh, yes, yeah, Ma. Yes.
All right. Okay. Sure you there, Asabi? So what you go do now? Try go meet Mama P for Ring Road. Carry key go. So they don't pack everything for his house. You lock the house back. She'll give money for transport. Real quick. Oh yeah, now me you quick go meet her. Yeah. I beg, they were so rich. Me they ask myself, going around 5 they come up for Lagos. Yeah.
That will hear the group though. No, you cannot feel like anybody. Because your shame and disgrace. In fact, Agbada is too small.
Mommy barrister.
It's too much.
Mommy body. Wait, oh. Why una say make Monica run if she hear of Obo? So it's because she knows say she did it. In that case, make Obo not bring the matter come again. Abi, no, not really. My father say, if you know how your son take the leak, not go where your son go smell come out. Understand me? That is the reason. You know say you and this person know they play. So what you concern matter, and you know say, as you say, allegedly. Let me prefer use that word, use and say allegedly. Say yes, maybe it really happened. We don't know. I'm not a witness, and I know they talk and say it happened. I know they accuse her, say she doing. But if she know in her mind, say that can't really happen. Me, anywhere with that man match leg put, I know they put my leg. Through the beat her. I know they put my leg allegedly. But if she knows it no happen, she get right. Because now where Obo go bring paper come now. You understand what they try to talk? Obo go somewhere and say, come maybe you go swear juju. Maybe you go swear. Say, now let me lie for your head. Like say, see Obo matter wrong. You know go reach here. Where we did so? Because this one a big shame and disgrace. His children go here. His husband family go here. His lovers go here. This and that. Yes, yesterday they go say, about she don't go swear. But we, somebody like me, not be say, at the bear marks they talk. Monica no need to go swear. Make it prove all of us wrong. Because the time me use her, did she talk to Obo? Allegedly. That's what I hear. They hear this thing I say, she carry Obo matter the talk for social media. Maybe that one way concern. No, so me not the entire, I know they look them again on me. Because I get anything so they occupy me. I know you no time to check time. I don't get that time. But this one beats my imagination because the time we use and saga her. We talk saying I saga you, saga me, I saga you. You tell me, I tell you. Yes. If the job will go juju, I'll reach there. They say, your cat. How many times we don't job? We don't the job will they go juju before. When we reach there, we say, talk what you Baba, your cat in Niger, we not in Niger. We not cover my voma. We not cover voma. Simple as that. But about me not in Get no better you make be. Although moka atama or yoka atama na betama no tama na so they run nonsense. But this time it's the other way around. It is not how we used to run it before. Not be we want to end this 2024. This 2020 hello. This 2024 oh he laughed. If say Monica now not some more bosses there. We wrestle the matter. Everybody go a part way. We don't use our fight. We don't enjoy and we don't use our zuzu. Everybody go a part way. You understand? Now, is the thing is coming again. Why? Why is it coming again? Why is Obo reacting now? Why is Obo not just let the sleeping dogs lies? Why Obo not forget about Monica? Say, okay, they don't fight, they don't forget. For how many years? So what's it called bring Obo matter with Monica A.K.A? Let's call it speed. What happened? Me, I don't know what's happened. So that the people who know what's happened, now they analyze. So, but me not fit talk with him, I not rich. Because this usually matter. I know my things here. My figure not they're not they hide adulterous woman. Then they expose them. Don Evans. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Not true.
Mama barrister.
Nobody where you walk on to where you want to start to talk to other people. The man when you said the man came out. Can't use the mouth they talk all these things. Can't who carry you people can't you say me you can't swear. You the wrong. So you can't tell another person say wait. Me I can swear go my way one. For you to comment on above video 2024, Monica, you destroy yourself. You fall your hand by yourself.
Okay. She said, somebody said, Monica did not talk to Obo for a long time. Now, but why Obo is talk about Osage? Why Obo was talking about Osage? I think that was where and start talking about Monica. Okay, Obo started to talk about it. Even if he talk about it, okay, Obo started to talk about Monica. Say, now so Monica be once he doing hair. I hear that one because I watch Obo like 10 minutes. I hear that one for a month. Yeah. Even at that, say Obo talk that kind of thing. If the baby Monica, I not go answer now. I mean, I not go answer. That might be waiting with the talk about too. You know, she not go answer. I'll say I know Zuzu here. You understand me? So if Obo was the one that talked about Monica first, then Monica could have ignored. Because maybe Obo will be looking for one way or the other to drag her back again and say, you understand me? So if I Monica now was use basis or mommy lovely. Hello, mama.
As a mama.
I greet you especially. How is you?
And now later I come see you for my video. And then as a parish here.
I did that laugh. We don't say we training children finish. Adegboye women. In meze gear na the boat. So now this woman, you know, will kill me with love. Get out of here. Nah,
you know what you guys a good put. You know say if matter don't too much, you will go answer person. You know say you know when this matter come years back. You
and at least yes. Say Obo was making reference.
Years back when Obo come out when they call that lady that time that Igbo lady.
Yes.
Lady King, na King lady.
Yes.
You remember that time when King lady call you to do video. When I call in, I don't know whether you remember because most of the way that they told you matter now, they not even did that time.
Yes.
Now call in. Now go tell Obo say make it enter house, make it come on map for person put leg, person not put leg. Say make it not to disgrace himself again. That's why I take put my opinion for that lady years back.
Yeah.
Then the woman got the expect say Obo go come back. Obo not come back again for that video that night. Don't tell Obo not come back again for King Lady live video. This matter when they bring on some of them they don't know how this one. Only King Lady. Now he open live video put that time.
Okay.
Hello?
Would they hear you?
Now the King Lady open video that time. You know what? Obo life put for my head, mama. Obo they lie. The day when Obo go apologize to British Biker, she lie for my head for there say a group of people they pay me make her they insult British Biker. She do live video. People believe Obo for that live video. People believe Obo. And before Obo come, they pull life on my head. Mama don't already go give Juju paper to a biker. They don't already suffer out. Then later he can't come out. The day when they apologize, say one woman when they do live video for a year, say a group of people they pay her when they saga British or biker. It won't be like. Okay, if I call, you say what he do with Monica. As he come 2024 now, he don't have another one, Jonah.
What he had, Jonah?
Now, go find the video now.
I know go find no at that time.
Now that one now, he usually come talk say, wait till you talk years back. Not be you they talk now again.
Okay.
You see, huh? Not be they talk. If they change if you come, you go change them. Will you not go sit down and talk once? If you want make people make the matter they sweet again, you go add another one, Jonah. You go add another one, Jonah. The one when if I talk, okay, mama, if I do you something now, the day when if there's something when I do you, if I want talk, now that thing when I do you, now go talk. If I talk, I will come out for there. If I come, say the matter don't see law for ground, I'll see they find another pepper when I go add Jonah, make for sweet for people here. Now about that. Now for how many years? Now go.
For how many years and now Bon go bring people. Good
now
let us okay. What will be your take on this matter now? What will be your own take for this matter now? Make Monica no answer or make she go answer now you the talk.
Why Monica go answer?
If you say make no answer, but you know say they go swear.
We swear that they swear.
Okay, but the same Monica now, but the same Monica now, be the year now say the same Monica now don't go carry juju for yesterday. What is the need?
That one don't swear say now that one family now you go tell her now they go tell her make it go swear or make it go do this thing. Not be Obo because Obo see say as he come with this matter again, people don't take hands, they take hands before. Now make Obo go carry juju, make people for true believe her. This 2024 nobody believe Obo again. No believe her mama. Now that one make Obo now 2024 Obo don't come out. Obo don't come and reach more than 3 times for this matter. He don't come and reach more than 3 times. Why you not carry juju that time? Why you can't be saying Nana? He can't go carry juju because he said Monica don't swear. You not see her?
But you know say, you know say this time now because even though say about someone Monica now or they go juju now, they go say this one swear, this one swear. If you say me you lie, you understand? Then they go take that swear first. Then Obo go judge you, the other one go judge you. Then they go settle down for them once and for all. Then they go tell them say, anybody don't talk to each other again, everybody go part way. Make the matter die. Because if you not sit down now, the next 2 years now, you go see come out again. Me no the lack of this.
You yourself know say Monica no get anything when you want to do with Obo.
My sister, allegedly, like I said, they talk at the consensus, but I don't reach. I don't follow the stairs as I don't be weakness. When anybody matter come out for social media and I saw that they talking, my eye not reach out. Man, the money can make the market way and about do, you know, consign me. But this one what about the drag and not the go juju say, if you say me they lie or you follow me, if not me I go follow because it's children. She get reputation, she get children.
The same word where they talk since now the word they talk now. He don't they have John.
Which word the fair talk? Which one have and they ask you say you don't know?
Okay, the word where he fair talk, yes, back. Make una go find the video. That the one where he can't talk now, make una come see him.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if you now, okay, let as you say the one where fair talk before say lie. Nana I can't talk to be. Okay, the reach you place, the truth go see come out. The truth go see come out. See the don't reach a Wosomba. This one Ogwomba. This will not be all this lag with the way they do since. This one Ogwomba. So not be children juju. So how much will say they go say there's someone you go say you know they go. You go clear the hair.
Who go Gwomba?
Eh?
Who carry juju for Gwomba?
Nah, Obo.
Obo carry juju for Gwomba.
Yes. I go see me no go answer Gwomba. No talk am again.
Na camera I want you to juju draw or na person when he no follow sleep. Now he want use the juju draw.
My sister, allegedly.
Mama, wait. You know what? See, he get if they say they put life for both head, now say for both one. Now both go carry juju.
Okay.
You reason now. I will say they say Obo, see how you found this person.
Oh yeah, may we see. Oh yeah, see. Allegedly, may we see what you Obo want you juju draw. Whether na the camera or listen now. If the camera, me go say Obo, forget that he don't go till law. Forget that matter.
Na camera, no Obo want you juju draw. No be. And so I sleep with her. He sleep with her when he go carry juju. They put life for both head say he sleep with somebody's wife when he go carry juju put. Now that yeah, I mean, I say if people they talk sometimes, they talk with hatred. Let's say for example now, I will native doctor. The alternative doctor say, now one woman be one seducer. Now he make her one go carry juju. They talk say, now truth, now they talk. Oh, but native doctor will tell her say, you say you want seduce you sleep with the woman. No, you not sleep with the woman. Okay, why you they carry juju? To be honest.
Okay, no problem. I don't hear you.
Then why they carry juju? Yeah, you reason her like that. That
Mommy lovely. May I talk one word now? We'll end them because me I want to attack issue. First, Obo say allegedly say Monica be one seducer. This time Monica is a married woman with children, and this matter they come out again. For me, it's good when Monica clear that part. Make clear and say nothing like that happen. See, don't all this thing. See me. I know the romance my matter as it been as I would and I started to talk my thing. If that maybe Monica will clear that part, saying nothing like that have ever happened between me and you, because Monica was married with children for house allegedly. I know they dead. Now Monica have to clear that part. Whether they do camera matter not consign me. That part that me want me Monica just clear because the children they don't grow. Say I get children. I'm a married woman. That part Monica go clear around. You go clear that part.
He go there tell you to say I not sleep with her.
I not sleep with her. I not seduce her. Finish.
He sleep with Monica. Oboto say he prick Monica to
wait, Monica, lovely. This one is juju matter beg. You get what they told juju matter. So see me so. You know say me I be juju person where. I know all those things. Wait till they talk now. Obo say allegedly say Monica the first son make it the seducer make it sleep with her. He no can sleep with her. Woman where the husband has cleared that part, all that part very well. This one a woman where they don't pay a diary. They with husband with children. Make it clear that part for children for future references.
Yeah, if Monica there now, yeah, Monica, may go this go there. Monica will say, I don't sleep with Tamo. Because if they call Monica now, they'll tell Monica that you sleep with this man. Monica will say, no, I don't sleep with her. Make it clear and true talk. Yeah.
Make clear more. Children don't grow. Monica, children don't grow. Make clear that part so because not be as they sweet me, not be say they sweet another person. Person never die, not be say mercy see the work for the person body. See this teeth as it never come out. If you put mercy, go work. If one don't break, now artificial you want put. That's what they be. That's what they be.
Mama, wait till you talk so now truth. Since Monica don't sleep with her, me Monica go there and say, the man go over here because her boss say he don't sleep with Monica. Then Monica go read there say, now true, I don't sleep with her.
Finish. That's what it is. So that it go clear that part. If the camera you want go draw, if you go draw a camera, they will buy put, make you leave this family alone. May not go use juju them. I beg. Me I know they support all this way concern juju matter. If the camera obo, I just beg you. I beg. I will make a if the camera you want go draw your camera, draw your teeth where lost. We don't say they would now you go stay for their house. Now they open door for you. So if your teeth lost, good and fine. And people will turn there and they ask, say where my teeth. Last, you say you see the teeth for Nigeria. Maybe allegedly, maybe the fee say maybe Nigeria on the say get the kind of Oga. If the camera you want go draw your teeth where they carry, they want draw. Make they pay you. Make they pay you. Maybe that camera pay you well. Anything where you want go draw. See this adulterous matter, Mona Clara. So that una two go face each other, go back each other. Hey, this one matter they come, you go come up body. This one matter they come, you go come up body. Everybody go they move, they go. Because if they don't go corner, they go turn and say, this one not should come out, this one not should come out. Everybody go finish. Now that one I want. I'm in lovely. Now so you're rich.
Mama,
she don't change me because she no feel. You say, mommy lovely, you say.
Mama, you get what you want to talk. You know, where I call put for lady, King Lady video that time. King Lady asked about that time, say, you sleep with this woman, Obo say he don't sleep with her. Now I make people call him say, Obo, since you not sleep with this woman, enter house, not dey fool yourself. King lady ask at that time, say, brother, as you dey talk this matter, so you fuck this woman, or boss say you no fuck her. So King lady walk, yes back. And people when they carry this matter now, they don't look that video. And the boss say you no sleep with her, call in. Just say, Obo, not the disgrace yourself again. Enter house. Me, I call in for King lady video that faithful night.
It's okay. That one don't pass. That night, those time when you talk about now, all those that time don't still pass. Now new era with this, so. I know.
He no sleep with her. He no fuck her. Now when he still talk that time, okay, if Monica go as you talk, and Monica go clear her. Monica will say, Ima Gwelo here. Now that one everybody want here. I'm about talk and say, he no follow and sleep. It's not an adoption because what Oma Gwelo here.
Wait. Me ask you, no say that place that to go back where they go. So whether she go no concern me. But I don't talk my own. See if he reach there. If they ask her and say, you be one, make a follow you sleep. You should not coffee answer that part.
Make it go there. If he reach there, he get what he want answer.
Now the way you would talk. Now the way you suppose. Yeah, that is the thing. Monica, I am my darling. Monica, beg for your children's sake. No go. Damn, money boom. Ya when some money go answer. Adegboye ma wa. Eriyo ma wa. Ade wo to kaso e bo alagbe no ni ofo. Yo gun back ku aye lala. Ahwo gun ba. Ahwo boba. All the ones in next generation. So please go and answer for yourself. Don't listen to live video presenter de bawe o no here de bawe o ki make ya o damn your way. No listen to me. No listen. The one we good with this side, the one we talk take am. Now verse I will give you as a sister. Take the one we you know say good. The one we know good. Show me.
You go Asara. Okay, if you go read there now, mama, wait till one go answer. Obo say you know sleep with her. Wait till the one go answer. He sleep with you, no. Don't be waiting the one ask with that one.
Now make it go then I make go clear on. He sleep with you, no. You be one make he sleep with you, yes or no. Finish. I be want. No, I be not want. You should can't put of your boy you're the no.
Now because of camera, now I make for
may we see now, may we see where about the dragon, mommy lovely. Leave this matter. May they go answer.
Full life for my head. Hey, mama, you know what? They say I'll go do video say that they pay me. May I go bring that to do come for me. Who pay me make I if they now wish. Make it go bring that paper come for me.
Okay, no wahala. It's okay. Somebody sit them my mommy lovely, oh yeah, hold on, and somebody them my call. I don't know what are the people where I send message. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Good morning.
Good morning, Mama.
Yeah, we don't know.
Okay. Are they here? I don't know this Facebook.
I can contribute just two or three talk, right? As Mama Lovely. You didn't hear me?
Yes, ma, we didn't hear.
Okay. As Mama Lovely just make everything mess up just now. Say me go to say I don't sleep with her. Make it go. Juju, please go say I don't sleep with her. The man not saying sleep with her. The man say when Monica the saga, the man say they lie on top of her. Say all these things with that man they talk. Say he not do one. Now make the man vex go bring paper for and say, come to Juju and come and answer. Did you try to seduce me 1 or 2 times or not? That's why he go say make it come Juju please. He not say make it come to say yeah not sleep with him. No, we are not talking. He not they talk about sleep. come and say the truth, because now you are saying that I'm lying. Say, or body lie, say you don't try to seduce her. Just come and reveal it for Juju, please. Say, did you try or no? Now be waiting. I say, may I contribute, my sister?
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Bye. You hear her now. So that is the fact. You betray or not.
Oh yeah, me finish it, boy. About giving a bow so back way, you should fit to go there and go and swear and cleanse yourself. We are here. And when I big boy, meanwhile, you are not innocent. Amafunia, we hate Sonia, and I hear you now as I go away to wear. What on my head they say, when I call a saga me with lie, when you not be truth, now no get proof. We are trying to prove this or not. Oh, no, when you come away and you are away. Only evidence. Oh, my God, don't say, or Boko say, or Brado, I know what should be the Obo. Now, Bo tell you, Bo tell you. I saw me above, or boy, you record the book, or both voices, or they shall say, or both to tell you, oh, or Bonawad with camera, on a moon that be, on a water, no better. Upona, all the same theory, car up on my fear. I know why you go out to press it with ya. Oh, when I didn't bow so back.
I don't want to suppress the book.
Well, I'm on a robot and no way of South Soma. No, I don't use this opportunity. You why I quite clear anyway. Ye matanari. You why I clear when it's been every year. The social media can already talk or rain the name without never. Ya why I'm okay. My hands are clean and innocent. You are still running away. You are running. Yeah, that means for everything we are both talk. Now, truth. It don't finish. You can never come out to where a bottle. I met someone courage. We are about Zimbabwe. If to say about the lie, native doctor know for go. You know, now what's so by go? I may quite what's so bad. Udwe, I know how and one day he said, I was over. I told you,
what?
And about it, for him to go to Awosomba and bring Awosomba paper for Monica. Meaning say, Oba a tiere tohi egiame. Monica like by tiere Monica tohi egiame. What is the money called opportunity now? Ye koya claim you social media forever. Apart from all native daughter, what team I not bad no, but all bona on wait. What's no bona number wait? All bona you to borrow or to buy one to tie. All the other church again, or see all the Tony Bomb. Understand? I'm not going to any Wagatia. I met you, I must hear where Barbie proof. Barbie proof. Maritime because you know. But all bona. I don't prove here. But proof what to buy the proof. Our boy is the proof, not to buy the